Hi, my name is Jack Howard, and today we're going to be talking about and demonstrating balayage for men. Lots of people think that balayage is only for women, but that is not true. The principle being that balayage is dictated by the haircut. Simply go through the hair, picking out the pieces that you want to paint, only a little, very gently. Paint on the hair. It's a quick, versatile, profitable technique for guys and gives them a look from something that looks like they've been at the beach to something a little bit more extreme and high fashion. It depends upon you and your client. One of my top tips for a perfect application of balayage is your balayage brush that you use for the application never goes in the tint bowl. You have a separate brush for that and only that.